Hello and welcome. Just close the game and then scroll down and go to the home screen. Now you want to scroll down to play game and then just keep going down until you see activities. Press square or X to start it, and then it should boot you into the game. It might take like 3 or 4 tries, but then it should let you in. It does work though. The reason why I couldn't really show it in a better way is because I don't have a capture card for my PS5, which I'm working on getting. But once I get that, it'll let me record the home screen and everything, which would be way easier for me to try to help in videos and stuff. But what I did was I just took screenshots, and that's how you do it. Just follow the screenshots and what I say, and it should work. It took me 3 times, and my friend, when he did it, it took him 2 times. Same thing with my other friend. But it does work. We all got on and played literally 1 game. We got home from school and we were like, oh yeah, we're going to play HELLDIVERS 2, and we couldn't even get on. And then probably like an hour before we were all about to go to sleep, I was like, oh, let me look this thing up real quick, and it did work. I don't know where I saw it from, I forgot, but I followed it and it worked.